Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well today. And today I'm discussing about how to use ISCST3 model. Actually, ISCST3 models is same as the year mode model. So if you learn ISCST3 models or year mode models, then you can analyze to both software very easily. It's the same software. So I open the year mode view at first. For year mode view, you need the preprocess software name is the YARMET, and ISCST3 models. The preprocessor software name is the RAMMET. This is the two different. So I already preprocessed the data. So if you miss this tutorial, please go to the description. You get the videos in the descriptions, and you can watch from there. So I'm going to make a new project, and I'm always talking with this step. You always try to save the data. You always try to save your project in the C drive because it is easy to run. Like the project name is ISCST3 model. You use here the underscore or dash, don't use space, otherwise you will get a error and you cannot find the error in your project, but you get the error. So that's why you always consider about the name of your project. Then next, here UTM, your UTM zone. I am in the 51 UTM zone. 51 UTM zone. Actually, I describe everything in the year mode view tutorial. So if you miss it, so go to the year mode view, go to the descriptions and check there the year mode view tutorial. Then again next, then I have to write here the latitude and longitude. My latitude and longitude is 40, 30, 47, 54.5. North and longitude is 121, 28 and 38.12 in the west. If you want, you can check from here in the Google Earth navigation. Yeah, this is our reference point, and this is our the target area. Then we just here you can define the how much kilometer square you want to analyze this. Suppose if you want, you can analyze this in 15 kilometers, then finished. This software takes some time to ready because it is a very big software. Okay, it's done. Then you go to the models, and before I show you the how to use the year mode model, now I show you the how to use ISCST3 model. So that's why I select it, and it is the same as the before. In the first one, dispersion option, no need to do anything. Then they just change. And before I show you the carbon monoxide, so same as the carbon monoxide, first hour, fourth hour and 24th hour, and the monthly we will analyze this carbon monoxide of these 4 types: first hour, fourth hour, 24th hour and the monthly. Then next, then if you have to define the flat or elevated, it's obviously we see here it is the flat, so that's why you have to click here the flat. Then next, and everything okay here. Then please close this window. Then next is the sources. I already pre-processed the source, so you can direct take this Excel file from here, data source. I will give you this the Excel file in the description, so you can find it from here, the description. And yeah, again I repeat it, if you miss the year mode tutorial, please go to first to watch the year mode view, then you come here, then it's next, then again close, it's come. Then third one is the receptor. So you draw a receptor here, like as the year mode view, and receptor summary, yes, and here default height is 2. That's all, no need to do anything here, just close. And you have to must draw a building, just a little building. Without building there will maybe a warning, so that's why. Then the metadata, here you need a metadata, so that's why we use the RAM net. Actually this is very important file. And here anemometer height is the 10, and close. Everything is okay, just we need to run the terrain. Here same as the year mode view, then the process terrain. And import. It is done. Then I run BPIP and we check the status here. Here we see the project is complete and you can run now. Just click the run and we can see the output file here. No error. Then finally the final project status of ISCST3 is complete and we can run it and run. We need some time to complete this project for an output. Yeah, here we go to the overlays and untick the terrain, then we get a good image here. In the first hour we see the highest, the concentration with the 11,059 microgram per meter cube. For 4 hours it's half, then 24 hours it's 2000, and monthly it's more, it's 832 microgram per meter cube. Then you can see the Google navigations. See the navigations. We can see here the first 24 hours, first hours. Here in this area there is no concentration, that means this is the safe area for October 2022, and in this area also the same, just here little concentration, that's all. And if you want you can save the report here, the result summary, the next, then finish. Here we see the peak value and the rank, everything. Just we can save this value, save this PDF in here. Yeah, we can see the PDF. You can see at the first hour the peak value, the 4th hour peak value, 24-hour peak value, and monthly the peak value is 24 microgram per meter cube. So that's all about the ISCST3 model. So again, thank you for your time and your considerations here. Bye bye.